Okay, good job. Now what are we going to do? Hmm? We're just going to sit here in the trailer?
Yes.
Okay. Where's Grandma's pillows at? Where's Grandma's pillows?
Pillows.
Where?
At
Where's Grandma's pillows at?
house.
In the house?
Yes.
Where's Caden's pillows?
A house.
In the house?
Yes.
Okay. Whose pillow is that one?
Daddy.
Whose pillow is that?
Pillows.
It's Caden's pillow?
Yes.
Are you sure?
No.
No. Whose pillow is that?
No.
I think it's Grandma's pillow.
Yeah.
Yes. Oh, is Papa home?
Yes.
Is he?
Yes.
Should we go see? Did you hear his car?
Because
You heard Grandpa's car?
yes.
Yes. Oh, is he home?
Yes.
Call him and see. Say, Papa.
Papa.
Say, where are you, Papa?
Oh, good, Papa.
Did you hear him?
Cheese.
Cheese!
Yes.
Grandma's taking your picture, huh?
Yes.
Yes. You know why?
Cheese.
Grandma's going to show it to Aunt Steffi.
Yes.
Say, hi, Aunt Steffi.
It's Fifi.
Hi, Steffi.
Hey, Fifi.
Say, I love you, Steffi.
I want to Fifi.
Say, see you soon.
Chum.
Yeah. Say, bye-bye, Steffi.
Papa Kitty.
Bye-bye, Aunt Steffi.
Cheese.
Cheese.